So what we've got here is a basic Prusik knot. I'm using my small gauge paracord against my rather large piece of rope. It is a good idea to make sure that your rope is smaller than you're using on here, otherwise it won't bite as well. So a little loop. Try and get the knot that's joining your rope together just to one side, and then it means that when it comes to being neat at the end of it, it can be. So it goes through and round. Fingers and thumbs today. Through and round. And I'm going to do this one more time, through and round, so that my loops are nice and neat. And I'm just going to pull it all nice and snug. If I pull on that, it will lock, it will move. Once the pressure or the tension is off, then if I take it again to one side and pull, it bites into the rope and locks it. Thank you very much for watching. That's a Prusik knot.